What does this event mean to me? It's an opportunity for us to build trust within the community, to be able to grow with amongst ourselves, to gather the community together to build a strong bond and show the youth in the future that you could be more than what your environment is.
So basically, what does this event mean to me? This event is about exposure. I believe it's about connection and representation. It allows, especially a number of children of color, to be able to look at their future. They see their future in us, see their future in this organization, and able to be exposed to what they can become and do something greater. So this event means a lot. It's about the connection. It's about coming back and giving to the community.
So what does this event mean to me? African Americans are underrepresented in the STEM workforce, and so to me this is an opportunity to inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and STEM individuals. And I think that can benefit our community for many reasons. Number one, it teaches kids to solve problems and do critical thinking, skills that are missing from our community. And number two, the STEM workforce tends to have a higher median income than other professions. So it helps our community in many ways. So that's what this means to me.